Hi everyone. My name is Chris. I am going to read this book to you today. It's called In Search of the Sun. And a friend of mine is the author. Her name is Charlotte, and I am the illustrator. So, In Search of the Sun. Once there was an elephant. Wrinkles was her name. She loved to swim, to laugh and play, every day the same. One special day she met a mouse. Whiskers was his name. Together they laughed, together they played. Hide and seek was their favorite game. One day it grew dark, and nighttime grew near. The two had played and stayed up with no fear. The sun had set, which they didn't see. They were too busy dancing happily. The hours soon passed, and twilight set in. The moon now stood where the sun had once been. Wrinkles the elephant and Whiskers the mouse went to find the sun, and they peeked around a house. Yet the sun was shy, and the moon shone strong, so young Wrinkles and Whiskers simply trotted along. Wrinkles stomped, as elephants do. Whiskers squeaked. This was nothing new. Along came a cat, purring loudly, strolling by. The three animals saw many stars in the sky. "Where is the sun?" Sweet Whiskers asked. Yet the cat did not know. Where was the sun? Where did it go? Soon it grew late. Whiskers' bedtime was near. Wrinkles let down her trunk, saying, "Climb up on here." Yawn, said little Whiskers, and he was soon fast asleep. Wrinkles was quiet, making not even a peep. Whiskers dreamed of a sunny day. He wanted to run, and he wanted to play. Soon night was done. Day had begun. Soon left the moon, and soon came the sun. Young Whiskers awoke, and their journey was done. And that is the end of the story. And see, that's my picture. I'm so famous. Right, I hope that you guys enjoyed that. And I hope you have a wonderful stay-at-home school day.